people want to be high on the search engine, if you can give that to them using a tool like this to leverage your time and expertise or lack of expertise now using this plugin, you can absolutely charge a lot of money for that. James and Dave here. And what if we told you that you could sell something for $1,000 a pop all day long to business owners using the power of AI? Check this out.
So what we're talking about today is a service you can provide to business owners of all kinds. It's a service they desperately need because it brings them leads, sales, traffic, customers. That's all the business owner cares about, is more customers. You can deliver that. They'll gladly pay you $1,000, $2,000, even $5,000 to get more customers, right? So what we're talking about here is a very simple SEO strategy. Now, when I say SEO, some people know what it is, some people don't. SEO simply stands for search engine optimization. And what that means is getting your website up in the search engine so people can find you as opposed to the competition, right? So that's simply SEO. That's a simple term for it. And what we're doing is, you don't have to be an SEO expert. What we're doing is something very easy, very simple. And here's what it is. We're creating SEO optimized content for these websites. So let's say that you know a plumber, for example. It could be any business, could be a restaurant, could be anyone, right? But let's say that you know a plumber and you offer the service to them. What you're going to do for them is you're going to create, using ChatGPT and a special extra tool attached to ChatGPT, you're going to create SEO optimized pages for their website. Now, when the average business owner out there has like 5 pages on their website, you know, they've got about us, privacy policy, contact us, the main page, etc., right? They have maybe 5 to 6 pages. You're going to bring 50 pages to that website. And just by the sheer fact that they have 50 pages on their website and their competition has 5 pages, they're going to rank for many more keywords. And the reason is because in the local area, there's very little competition. How many plumbers are there, you know, in your neighborhood, right? Very few compared to nationally or internationally. So it's very easy to rank a website high in Google when you do this strategy. And so here's how we're going to automate this using AI. I'm going to show you this tool. It's kind of a little known secret. I really don't know if I want to share it, but here it is. It's called AI PRM for ChatGPT. And what you do is you install this Chrome extension into your Chrome browser. And then when you connect it to ChatGPT, this is what ChatGPT will look like. So now you've got all these amazing pre-written prompts for ChatGPT automatically installed in your ChatGPT account, right? So now you can choose one of these. You can either choose human written, 100% unique SEO optimized article, fully SEO optimized article, including FAQs. You can choose based on the number of likes. So this one has 1,400, 769, 578. Let's go with this one here and click on it. Now, when you click on it, it's not going to take you anywhere. All it's going to do is modify your chat window down here. See, as you can see, it's right there. So now what you're going to want to do is type in a keyword phrase. What is that plumber wanting to rank for? Well, most plumbers are going to want to rank for the word plumber and the city they're in. Let's say Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, that's all you do. You type that in and you press go. And what's going to happen is it's going to create an article for you, an SEO written optimized article. What does SEO optimized mean? It just means that this is an article that's designed and written to rank high in Google, right? And again, because there's so little competition doing this, so few plumbers that know anything about SEO or know to hire an SEO company, they will not have a chance. You will outrank them, especially when you brute force it and you have 50 articles on your plumber's website and the other plumbers all just have the 5 basic informational articles, right? Now, there's a lot more to this strategy. In fact, we have a whole course that goes into it in detail, like how do you come up with the keywords? What are the best keywords to use, right, for each business? What are the best ways to put these articles on their website or have their web person do it for them, right? So there's a lot more to it, but I just wanted to share this with you because it's so powerful. You're getting an SEO optimized article here written for you literally in minutes, as you can see, still writing. And it is going to get that plumber's website ranked high in Google. Now they're going to make a lot more money. They're going to get a lot more deals. They're going to get a lot more sales. You're going to be their hero. And you can easily charge $1,000 for this service. Can you imagine, James, charging $1,000 for 50 articles? I mean, you could get paid $1,000 for 20 articles, 10 articles, $10 a pop or whatever, $100 a pop. There it is. That's the article. It just did it for you. And that's just one keyword. The keyword was plumber, Cleveland, Ohio, right? But there are ways, like I said, there are ways to determine, okay, give me a list of keywords, and you could use AI to do that. Give me a list of the best keywords to do this for this plumber, right? And now you've charged them $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, and you can get this done in a matter of an hour, a couple hours, maybe at the most. And you're helping that plumber generate a lot more sales by doing that. So that's our strategy. I just wanted to share with you. It's pretty amazing. Again, it comes from my experience actually doing this. In the old days, I did this manually. I wrote articles for local businesses, right? And we had to do the keyword research manually. Now you've got AI tools that do the keyword research for you automatically. Pretty amazing.
Yeah, I mean, you said a lot of great things here. Number one, who has money? A lot of times it's business owners for obvious reasons. What do business owners want? They want more sales. They want more leads. And a great way to do that is from free traffic, especially when we're talking about organic SEO traffic for local areas.
Right.
So if you're in an area, let's just say 50,000 people, 25,000 people, what have you, there's not as much competition. There may be 5 of that particular type of business, let's just say. And so when you can use a tool like this, which is a super cool tool, to really become an SEO expert in a lot of ways and truly get them where they want to go, which is to the top of Google or much higher. And I don't know the numbers, but basically no one's looking at page 2 of Google. So if you can get them up there, if you can rank them up there, you can make a lot of money. And sometimes you might even say, you know what, let me try one plumber and let me help him out for free. If you've never done this before, let me help him out for free.
Yep.
All of a sudden, he starts ranking. You've got a testimonial. Now you can have a website. I've got testimonials of people this is working for. He starts telling his buddies, etc. That's how you can build it out. Because that's a question some people might have is like, how am I going to charge $1,000 if I've never done this before? Well, do the results for people, and then there you go. Then it spreads like wildfire. The fact of the matter is, people want to be high on the search engine. If you can give that to them using a tool like this to leverage your time and expertise or lack of expertise, now using this plugin, you can absolutely charge a lot of money for that.
Yeah, absolutely. Every page, let's say you make 50 pages, every one of those pages is a little magnet to drive people into that plumber's business. And when everybody else has 5 little magnets, your plumber, your client has 50 of them. And they're all SEO optimized by AI automatically, right? So it's an amazing business model. In fact, there's another model that we talk about in the course that we don't have time to get into here. And it's where you can just build the website yourself and optimize it and then rent that website out. And it's an amazing model that's included in our course as well. So if you're interested in that course, be sure to check the link below. We have a $50 off coupon link right there for you. And we'll see you next time on Making Money with AI.